All right, how we doing, everybody? Finally back at it today. You might be able to tell by the background behind me that I'm finally in the new house, in the new office, in the new house. Things are gonna look probably a little grayscaled out for a while. I don't have any of the lighting set up. There's no shades or anything on the window behind me, but this is how it's going to be for the foreseeable future. But happy to be back at the normal trading desk, normal trading setup here for the first time in a few weeks. So got one trade in Trade the Pool today. Let's check it out. Looking at QBTS pulling back down here. So if it gets a little bit closer to 19. All right, I'm going to jump in here long. I'm in at 1909, 500 share starter here, QBTS. If I can get 20 cents out of it, I'll look to sell half here. Can it get up to 1929 since I'm in at 1909? And get back up to the 1920s. All right, just trying. I'll go ahead and put 250 out here at 1929. Can it get up there for me? I'll also go ahead and put 100 out at 1939, a little bit higher. So two potential initial targets set here in QBTS. Can it start pulling back up here after this big downturn swing? Market ripping higher today. Struggling to get out of the... Okay, here we go. Can it get up towards 1930 now? First target sitting there, 1929. Okay, got the first fill target there. Out 250 shares. Getting close now to the second target at 1939 for another 100 shares. Can it get me there? Okay, getting close. Can I get a fill? Okay, got that fill down to 150 shares now. Can it get up a bit higher? Maybe get it back up through 1950. Maybe sell another 75 if I get 1950 moved. All right, put another 75 out here at 1949. Okay, got that down to 75 shares now. And now I think I'll just put a stop here. Trailing stop. 75 offset. I don't really know what though. Let's do 20. Is that going to be 20 cents? Okay, yep. So just putting in a trailing stop here now. So gonna let this other 75 cents try and roll here. Haven't used the trailing stop yet in trade with the pool, so we'll see how it goes. But in a nice winner here now. We'll just see if the remaining 75 shares maybe can rip back up to high a day or something like that. All right, here we go. Keep breaking back up higher. The trailing stop is coming up with it nicely here. This is exactly what I want to see. Keep pushing higher here. Look at this. Look at it moving with it. Oh, look at this move. This is gorgeous. So now I'm guaranteed to be above my last sell price here with this remaining 75 shares. See if it can keep running though. I don't traditionally use trailing stops, but I'm kind of liking it, to be honest with you here. All right, keep going here, QBTS. Bringing that stop up with it, now up to 1950, 1960 now on the trail, which looks nice right below the bottom of this move here. Let's see if it keeps pushing up. 1964 now on the trail. There we go, keep going. 1972 on the trail. Keep pushing here. Get back up above 20. Yes, keep going. Keep pushing here, QBTS. Can you break back up through 20? Trailing stop now at 1984. And rising. Getting close to the stop here. All right, and finally taken out here in QBTS with that beautiful trailing stop. You can see what it was doing all day, making a big move up still. If you look at the daily chart, this was a breakout to new highs. Then once it did this big breakout here, made a big dip all the way back down to almost the lows of the day, got in towards that, and then let it run back up to here. So 500 shares there in QBTS, making $160 in the trade the pool evaluation 50K account here. I cannot complain about that. So there you have it, pushing forward in the trade the pool account, up about $600 or so in the 50K evaluation at this point. Need to get to that 3,000 mark, so gonna start pumping out the videos again more regularly like normal here going forward, except for I will already be gone after Tuesday this week. So I'll be here tomorrow, won't be here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or I think next Monday. But back to normal otherwise.